God bless you today and welcome to today's New Life News Break. I'm Lady J and here are today's observations. Now, Pastor is asking for all ministerial staff to please meet him today in his office at Annex 5 at 4 p.m. Also happening today, there will be a baptismal service at Annex 5 at 5 p.m. and all those that are being baptized are asked to please bring a towel and a change of clothes for that special service. We want to give a very warm congratulations to our very own Deacon Sam Green, who completed his Master's of Christian Studies with an emphasis in Christian leadership. Now, this is his second master's degree, and he finished with a 4.0 GPA. Congratulations. Now, parents, don't miss out on the special summer learning enrichment program that's going on at New Life Care Learning Center. Certified kindergarten teachers will teach your little ones, so be sure to call the office for more information and to get the special rates. Now, also, the New Life Learning Center open house and graduation is happening on Wednesday, May 22nd at 10 a.m. Those of you that can, come on out and be a support to our young people. Mark your calendar now for Vacation Bible School. That's right, it's that time again, coming up very soon here, July 24th through the 22nd, and also August 10th through 11th for the second annual youth conference. Please be sure to refer to your bulletin for more information, or if you are interested in volunteering with the youth department. Now, the faculty and staff of Montgomery Technical Education Center invite you to Parent Night on Tuesday, April 30th. They will answer questions about any careers or college choices and trade skills. You're asked to please contact the Dean, William Dean, who is principal, at 241-5307. Now, Camp Pride is happening on Saturday, June 8th at Crampton Bowl, and more details about this exciting summer program will be coming your way very, very soon as the date draws closer. Now, don't forget that Bible study is happening this week, but take note of this. All locations are asked to please attend a combined Bible study on this Tuesday, April 30th at 7 p.m. at Annex 2. There will not be any other evening Bible studies this week, so that preparation can be made for the Harvest Conference next week. And speaking of the Harvest Conference, the dates of celebration this year are Friday, May 3rd and Sunday, May 5th. This year's theme is Bring Back Revival, and all auxiliaries are asked to please prepare your presentations on the designated evenings. Also, Friday night is musical night, and we will also be honoring our very own district missionary, Marcella Peoples, on that evening. Also, ladies, you're asked to wear white that night. Also, Sunday night is official night, and we will be honoring our very own Pastor Ellison. And now Pastor Lee Henderson Sr. of Birmingham will be the very special guest on that evening, so don't miss out on the Harvest Conference. Now, we especially want to keep these bereaved families in our prayers. Theresa James and Stephanie Jackson, who both lost their uncles this past week. We want to keep them in our prayers, as well as all of those who are sick and convalescent, and you can find a complete list of those who are sick and convalescent in your bulletin. Now, for all other announcements that have not been mentioned here, you're asked to please refer to your bulletin. Now, quickly, happening Thursday, May 2nd, Wise Women Build Bible Study, 12 noon, Annex 5. Monday, May 6th, Youth Workers Conference Call. Saturday, May 11th, New Life Annual Mother's Day Dinner, 2 p.m., Annex 5. And lastly, Sunday, May 26th, New Life Graduation Ceremony, Annex 2, 11 a.m. Thank you for your attention. Now, let's praise the Lord.